you ever noticed that when your hands are busy, your thoughts get a little quieter? That when you're making something, not scrolling, not rushing, your body starts to slow down on its own? I didn't always have words for this. I just knew that when my nervous system felt overwhelmed, my hands wanted to move. Making soap, shaping bubble bars, working on small art projects. Looking back, this is why I started this channel. Not to be productive, not to teach perfection, but because making things with my hands helped my body feel safe again. This video is a quiet moment inside that process, a gentle reminder that sometimes regulation doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing something small, slowly, and with care. If this resonated with you, then I encourage you to try making something of your own today. It doesn't have to be useful, or beautiful, or finished. Just something that lets your hands move while your nervous system catches up. Let it be simple, let it be quiet, and then, when you're done, notice how your body feels, even if the change is small. I'll see you soon.